Dancehall entertainer Moses Davis, who goes by the stage name Beenie Man, mother has been hospitalized. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope, and we have the details of that to come on the program. We'll be right back after this break. Hi again and welcome to Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, where you get the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities. You'll also find out who's been naughty and who is being good. Right here, both local and international news on celebrities, Links 007 TV is the place to be. Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. It's Links 007 TV Celebrity Scope. Dancehall entertainer Beenie Man took to his Instagram page just to update his fans and his friends about the well-being of his mother after it was reported that his mother suffered a stroke and is in a medical facility. The entertainer made a visit to that medical facility just this weekend and also made a donation of a 50-inch TV to that facility. In the interim, the dancehall entertainer took to his social media just in order to urge anyone that was on his live with some medical background that could give him in order for the treatment of his mother. The dancehall entertainer also states that he don't want his mother to do any surgery. However, as the complications arise, we don't know what the dancehall DJ will decide. Beenie Man has been a top premier figure both on the local and international scene and is one of Jamaica's dominant figure within the dancehall space. This was what Beenie Man had to say as he updated fans about the well-being of his mother. Let's go over to that clip right now.
Yeah. Live there, University of the West Indies. Yeah, this is my day. People, my mother in the hospital and one of the worst time, she knows say you go visit your mother in the hospital when she's sick. It's not something I like do, it's just a serious spine. But mother get some strokes and she never get over it and she then at the hospital. It's not a good thing, not even a good thing for her, but deal with it.
Come on, we'll continue.
Yeah, man.
You don't have to pull that one. Just this one. You can change on the other side. Or stay on that side.
Mike.
That's rough.
Me in a rough time, me in a find me in rock and a hard place. Yeah, she not seen it. Dementia. Is that fear man alive? And then she took it from this. take off and punch and bring her. She gets sick. So she blamed herself. And my grandmother used to take her whole dress and punch her come at home. And take her both gun and punch her. So my mother said, "Mother, she went to stay. I want to station." She went sick. So my mother buried her.
So what can I come in? She's outside.
Alright.
Yeah.
You're serious?
Yeah, the secret is that them have a 40 and them don't need a 50. Yeah. You want to go?
Huh?
You want to go? Wash
Picture head nurse, you know. The head nurse.
Oh, we got time though. Alright, did you hear the story? A part of it. Lord said to you that mom is admitted to the ward. So you went and got the professor. That is wonderful. We appreciate it. Thank you very much.
Take care of my family.
Yeah, that's wonderful. Really. If you could do much more. Yeah. And be as thoughtful as you. Alright, so how is your mom doing?
She's here. But she's not here.
Yeah, maybe, but she can recognize it. Well, that is wonderful. And he was saying that she's got in the room. I don't know. Where is she?
She got what for?
Ward 5. Ward
Ward
4.
4.
Ward 4. Sister have links. You can give me her name and I can.
She named Lyric Soul. The sister in honesty, so.
That's about Kenny.
But we can't this one.
Oh, that's so wonderful.
With me.
Yes. All right. Thank you very much. Yes. All right. Take care. All right. Thank you very much. All right. I don't have to go and take a picture. Support the social. Yeah,
We are socializing.
yes. All right. Thank you. Take care.
All right.
As you saw there, a tearful-eyed Beenie Man updating fans about the well-being of his mother, and he also took the time to donate a 50-inch television set to that medical facility. And if you have been following, just last week Dancehall entertainer Shensia lost her mother, and that is an emotional time now for that dancehall entertainer. But as it stands right now, we're just hoping for the best for Beenie Man mother, and that she pull through this one, because as you see, the dancehall entertainer, she seemed a bit shaken about the whole entire situation, and we're just hoping that he find that strength to just cope through this difficult time, as it's bearing down on the DJ. And we know that whenever you have a family member within a hospital, and especially when they're seriously ill, your mind is not at ease. So just go and hold the faith, dancehall entertainer Beenie Man, and I hope that your mother does pull through this. All right, so this has been Links of 7 TV Celebrity Scoop, and that's also an update we have to bring to you as it relates to the health and well-being of the dancehall entertainer mother Beenie Man. Any more information becomes available to us, we'll be happy to share that with you. All right, so just hold the faith, Beenie Man, and just stay strong. There was a media release about this, and we're about to update you with that right now on Celebrity Scoop, where the mother of the international dancehall artist Moses Davis, popularly known as Beenie Man, has been hospitalized following a series of stroke. The entertainer made a revelation in a video that has been posted to social media. The recording artist, in the more than 10-minute long video, almost broke down in tears in disclosing how the development has left him in a distraught state. In an emotional voice, the dancehall entertainer could be heard saying, "People, my mother in a hospital, I one of the worst time," said the dancehall entertainer. Since that post, scores of Jamaicans have taken to social media to offer words of encouragement and support to the dancehall entertainer. One individual wrote on social media, "I feel your pain and distress, Beenie Man, as I have experienced it myself. Going through this, I know it's a difficult time for you. This has brought tears to my eyes. I sincerely sympathize with you." The individual further went on to say, "My thoughts and prayers are with you, and especially your mom, and I hope that she recuperates as soon as possible." So those are just some of the posts coming out on social media. And Beenie Man, as you know, is one of the premier dancehall figures within the entertainment industry of Jamaica, and he is one of the household name as well on the Caribbean island. We're out for now. Links of 7 TV Celebrity Scope. Peace.